Good morning, Sophie.
Good morning, Daniel. How are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing great. Did you sleep well?
Yes, I slept very well. I went to bed early last night.
That's good. Starting the day early is always helpful.
Yes, and I need my coffee now.
Me too. Let's order something. What do you want?
Can I get a cappuccino, please?
One cappuccino and one latte, please.
Thank you. You always remember my favorite drink.
Of course, we come here almost every day. Here, take your cappuccino.
Thank you. Cheers to learning English.
Cheers. Let's practice greetings today. Okay, Daniel, let's start. How do you greet someone in the morning?
You say, Good morning.
Perfect. And in the afternoon?
Good afternoon.
Nice. And in the evening?
Good evening.
Great. Now, what do you say when you meet someone for the first time?
You say, Hello. Nice to meet you.
Exactly. Let's try a role play.
Okay, let's do it.
Hi, I'm Sophie. What's your name?
Hello, Sophie. I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Daniel. Where are you from?
I'm from Brazil. And you?
I'm from Canada. Do you like living here?
Yes, I like it, but I'm still learning English.
Don't worry, you're doing very well. Let's practice shopping phrases. We are in a store now.
Okay, I see something I like. I will say, How much is this?
Yes, that's right. Now I'm the shopkeeper. Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. How much is this bottle of water?
It's $1.
Okay, I'll take it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Thanks. You too.
Let's talk about feelings. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling happy. This lesson is fun.
I'm happy too. Sometimes I feel tired in the morning.
Me too. I say, I'm tired or I need coffee.
Haha, yes, and if you are sick,
You say, I'm not feeling well or I have a cold.
good job. Now ask me how I feel.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling excited. We're learning a lot. Now let's talk about the weather.
Okay, today is sunny.
Yes, it's a beautiful day. The sun is shining.
Sometimes I say, It's hot outside.
That's perfect. And if it's raining,
You say, It's raining or It's wet outside.
right, what about snow?
It's snowing or It's very cold today.
Excellent, Daniel, you're speaking naturally. Let's practice making plans.
Okay, I want to say, Let's go to the park.
Good idea. Let's go this weekend.
Yes, Saturday is good for me.
Perfect. What time?
Let's meet at 10 in the morning.
Sounds great. Should we bring snacks?
Yes, I'll bring sandwiches.
And I'll bring juice and fruits.
Awesome, I'm excited.
Now tell me about your daily routine.
Okay, I wake up at 7 a.m.,
Then,
I brush my teeth, take a shower, and eat breakfast.
nice. What do you eat?
Usually, I eat eggs and bread and drink coffee.
Yummy. Then what do you do?
I go to work at 9 a.m., I come home at 6 p.m.
Then you relax?
Yes, I watch TV or read a book, then I sleep at 11 p.m.
Great job. That's a full day. Let's practice restaurant phrases.
Okay, we go inside and say, Table for two, please.
Then the waiter gives us a menu.
We say, Can I see the menu, please?
Right, now let's order.
I'll have the chicken pasta, please.
And I'll have the veggie burger.
Then we say, Can we get the bill, please?
Exactly. And don't forget to say thank you. Now let's imagine we're at the airport.
Okay, I need to check in.
You go to the counter and say, I'd like to check in, please.
Then, here is my passport and ticket.
Yes, what if someone asks, where are you flying to?
I say, I'm flying to Seoul, South Korea.
Perfect. At security, they say, put your bag on the belt.
Then I wait and go to the gate.
At the gate, you hear now boarding.
Then I go, thank you, and find my seat.
Wow, you're ready to travel now.
This was fun, Sophie. I learned many new phrases.
I'm happy to help. Let's review.
Good morning. How are you? How much is this? I'm happy. Let's go to the park. Can I get the bill, please? I'm flying to Seoul.
Perfect review. Keep practicing every day.
I will. Thank you for everything.
You're welcome. See you tomorrow.
Yes, same time.
Same place, same time. Bye.
Bye, Sophie. Have a great day.